Galaxy I twist 둘이 하게 우리를 기뻤어 To be a star wasn't born to raise the bar 고막 끝이나 세기와 다름없고 Tonight I love my yoga Feeling, feeling 기도하라고 cringe 나를 떼고요 Free me Let's get it So give me yourself You're giving yourself the best shot You're giving yourself You're giving yourself the best shot You gotta get solo You gotta get serious You gotta get solo You're giving your best shot Go reach out and get ya Gotta go reach out and get ya Just go reach out and get ya Yeah, reach out for it Go reach out and get ya Gotta go reach out and get ya Just go reach out and get ya Just get it, get on to it Whoa, oh, oh, oh Whoa, oh, 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 oh Whoa, oh, oh, oh Whoa, oh, 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 oh
I just wanna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life.
Hi everybody! By the way, my name is Abdel June, your host for today's special event, and I just want to welcome each and every one of you to this very special rustic 50th celebration of Madame Catherine here at the Gardens, Astoria Regency Convention Center. Why don't you give, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to everybody, please? Grabe! Ang saya talaga! Grabe, I just want to say thank you on behalf of the entire family of Ma'am Catherine. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat for coming here and for gracing your time to be with us, showing your love and support to our birthday celebrant. And as we start the program, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the respective family members of our celebrant. First, let's welcome the proud and the gorgeous mother of Madame Catherine. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to Miss Mila Nosore. Palakpakan naman dyan. And of course, after welcoming the proud mother of our celebrant, let's welcome the good-looking son, the one and the only Cedrix Y. Pababong. Palakpakan naman natin. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the proud, good-looking husband of our celebrant. A round of applause to the proud husband, Attorney Ray C. Bravo. Yes. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I request everybody to please stand up as as we welcome our gorgeous celebrator. Of course, gusto ko lang pong ipaalam sa inyong lahat na pinaghandaan po talaga ni Ma'am Catherine ang 50th birthday celebration niya. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our gorgeous Madam Catherine Bravo! Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating birthday celebrant.
si Ma'am Kat. Halika mag-get. Palakpakan niyo naman si Ma'am Kat. Grabe yung ingay. Grabe
Sabi, Ma'am Kat, talagang nag-prepare ka. Grabe, sa meeting namin ni Ma'am Kat, talagang, sabi ko bang kakayanin ba ng power? Sabi niya, dapat kayanin. Okay, may request, the loving husband. Palakpakan naman po natin si Atty. Razy Bugabo. Wow, may parang roses pa sa'yo si Sir. Wow! Picture muna, picture muna. Okay. Attorney, pwede mo nang ihatid si Ma'am Catherine sa taas. Okay. Maraming po salamat. Everybody, please sit down na po tayo. Yes. Thank you so much. And at this moment of time, ladies and gentlemen,
our distinguished guest, dear friends, and beloved family, good evening once again. It is with great joy and heartfelt gratitude that I welcome you all to this very special occasion, the 50th birthday of Catherine. This is an evening dedicated to celebrating a truly remarkable woman, my wife, my best friend, and the heart and light of our family. Tonight, it's not simply about reaching a milestone in years of Catherine. It is about honoring a life so beautifully lived, the decades of strength, kindness, compassion, and unwavering grace that Cathy had shown. 50 years represent countless memories, life lessons, challenges overcame, and triumphs won. In those years, Cathy has touched the lives of many, whether through her laughter, her wisdom, her generosity, or simply her presence. Thank you for celebrating with us. Your presence means the world to our family. Let us celebrate and reflect and give thanks to her life, her accomplishments, and being an incredible woman she has continued to become. And we are looking ahead with hope and joy to many beautiful years still to come for her. Please enjoy the night, celebrate with us, share your memories, and help us make this night worthy of amazing woman we are here to honor. And be amazed with her number. I don't know if there are still more to come, but we're very happy that she was able to make it. Again, thank you very much for coming here for this celebration.
Thank you so much, Atty. Ray. Atty. Ray, kinakailangan na your official host for this very special 50th drastic celebration of Ma'am Catherine here at the Gardens, Astoria Regency Convention Center, together with one of the legit and one of the best event coordinator in Zamboanga City, Joanne Gown Wedding Package. Ladies and gentlemen, I think deserve niyo po talaga ng isang malakas na palakpakan naman dyan for coming here today. Yes. You know what? Nagkaroon po kami ni Ma'am Catherine ng meeting the other day and she is so excited for this very special occasion sa buhay niya. Because ang gusto niya talagang mangyari, sana daw po is makumpleto yung mga mahal niya sa buhay at syempre yung mga kasama niya sa work. And I can see na yung mga kasama niya sa work naman ay nandito, showing the love and support to our birthday celebrant. And part po ng ating first part ng program ay magiging busy na po kagad ang ating mga bisita dahil may first part na game po tayo, okay? Ang games po natin ay madi-divide into 3. So while waiting for our celebrant to arrive, kailangan po natin mag-games na. So ang ating first game is entitled Name the Tune. Okay? So ang ating DJ ay magpapatugtog ng specific na tono. Then, kailangan ko ata ng isang microphone, please, para sa kung sino ang makakaguess ng title ng tono na yon ay magkakaroon ng special prize na di-provide ni Ma'am Catherine. Here na. Yes, keep dito. Ah, yes. Okay, go. Binilang ko lang kasi ang alam ko 15 yan eh. 15 yan. Anyway, so, madali lang po ha. Ang first game natin ay pipili kami ng 5 winners. Agad-agad. Okay. So, habang naghihintay po tayo kay Ma'am Kat to arrive sa kanyang next outfit, magpapag-games po tayo. Sir DJ, ready na ba? Okay. Ang first tono natin is pwede naman sa akin. Go, 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 go. Nasaan yung microphone, please? Pahiram. Agad-agad. Okay. DJ, signal ka sa akin pag correct yung title. Ano po yung title ng pinatugtog na to, ano? Buttercup? Mali! Buttercup. So, sorry. Okay. Siyempre, alika madam. Wait lang, sir. You are my third pag malito. Okay. Build me up, Buttercup. Okay, perfect! Winner! Okay, picture mo na. Picture mo na, madam. Picture mo na. Huwag mo aalis sa agad, Picture mo. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Ready na pa tayo, Kuya DJ, sa ating second tune? 1, 2, 3, go! Grabe, yung mga babae natin, with all the dress, tatakbo. Tatakbo talaga para lang sa pride. Okay, anong title ng tono? Pretty Little Baby. Okay, perfect. Ang grabe mga girls. Boys, ano na? Boys, ano na? Okay, picture. Pretty little baby. Pretty little baby. Boys, ano na? Ano na, boys? Mga pare, ano na? Okay, third. Tana, please. Don't, hindi na sa stable nyo na naman, O, di ba? Nahirapan kayo? Go! Wala? Walang nakakaya. Okay. Pwede lakasan ba ng onting microphone natin para... Halika sir, halika sir. Oh, may lalaki na. Sana tama sir ha? First winner na lalaki. Ano po yung title sir ng tono? Correct? Okay na. Perfect. Okay, picture. Sir, sir. Okay, picture tayo. 2 more to go. Okay, tingin ka muna. Photographer, okay na tayo? Photographer, yes.
Kayo ha, yung sa table na to, active talaga kayo ha. Grabe kayo ha. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go! Ano ba? Grabe ha. Parang feeling ko mga laman to ng mga karaoke itong mga nasa table na to. Okay, wait lang. Okay, may challenge sa atin yung DJ kasi last 2 more. Kasi masyado doon kasing madali. Okay, pag tama daw yung kanta, yung title ng kanta, kantahin daw kahit first part, first line, or first 2 lines. Pwede. Oh, bawal ang cheater. Bawal ang maru. Okay. Okay. Wait lang. Wala pang title niya. Such a feeling's coming.
Wondering most everything I see. Not alone the sky, got the sun in my eyes, but won't be surprised if it's a dream.
Ano man? Ano man? Ano yan? Hindi kayo...
Is now coming
Alam?
especially for me.
Parang hindi man ako natuwa. Parang mag-best friend man sila ng DJ.
It's because you are
Grabe ha? Actually, narinig ko si Sir, oh, parang tama yung lyrics niya. Pero sige na lang. Dahil luto ang show.
vision and the only
Okay, picture.
I can.
Okay. Ala. Sir. Title muna. Okay, anong title, sir?
Paano?
Paano? Correct, alo? Okay na daw, sabi ni DJ. Okay. Sir, thank you. Winner ka. Picture muna, sir. Picture muna po. Picture muna. Okay, proud husband, attorney, Ray C. Bunabo. Palakpakan niyo naman natin sila.
Put your arms around me, tell
Sa kanyang team na Rusty. Malagod ka ha. Important sa 50 ka talaga ngayon. So habang ako po, si Madam Kat, tatawagin ko po yung mga some of the VIPs na nandito po sa ating venue to give a special message or should I say mga birthday wishes sa ating celebrant, si Madam Catherine. Ready ka na, ma'am? Kasi nakakatakot tong mga ganito. Actually, ito, natatakot talaga ako kasi baka maraming mabooking. Baka may mga bookingan portion or whatever. Paki-check yung ating another microphone, please. Para ready na. So, sa lahat po ng mga magbibigay, kilala ko to. Parang isang araw lang ata to nag-celebrate din ng kanyang birthday. Oo, kilala ko to. Isa nitong madam. Yes. Unahin natin. The one and the only Inspector Ivy R. Boys. Ang ganda ng family name. Ang lakas makasosyan. Wala pa kayo naman si Ma'am Ivy.
Yes, thank you very much. Good evening to all of you. Yes, to my kumare. We were just talking, tama nga yung sabi niya, I just celebrated my birthday. Bale, matanda lang ako kay Maring Kati ng 8 days. But, we share the same zodiac sign. We are both Leo. Kita naman sa personality namin, no? But Maring Kati, she's beautiful inside out. She's so grounded. As I mentioned oftentimes to her, that with all her accolades and all the things that she has in life, she remains grounded. And that is the most beautiful thing about her. Very humble na tao. And to think sa career niya, na-achieve niya na yung dapat niyang ma-achieve. She has the best husband, the best children, and of course, Mama Mila is here with her celebrating this day. No? Na-achieve niya na, even though yung 25th birthday niya, nakapag-pilgrim na siya, yun yung alam ko yung, kami yung mga best friends niya, ang nakakaalam na, yun yung mga talagang innermost wishes niya, at natin niya na yun. And today, alam ko na marami pang gustong mag-greet sa'yo, mag-wish. You know what is in our heart because we share the same feelings, no? Kaya alam ko continue to do the things that you want. Ano yung mga nagpapasayo magpapasaya sa'yo gaya ng dancing. This girl is on fire and definitely she nailed it on the floor. And of course, later on, marami pa kayong makikitang mga talagang mga performance na si Maring Cathy lang ang kayang gumawa. Happy birthday, Maring Cathy. The best in life. Prayers for you, good health. Happy birthday. I love you.
Thank you naman. I've been an 8 days. So, if I'm not mistaken sa hoping namin sa shop ng coordinator. Grabe, talagang pagpasok niya pala nakasmile na siya sa akin. With all her Hermes bag. Sabi ko pagpasok niya, oh my God, ma'am, naka-Hermes ka. Nahiya naman yung ano ko, nahiya yung bodega bag ko sa iyo. Sabi ko, in fairness, ang ganda ng bag mo. And, of course, syempre, after ng isang napaka-special na best friend. Let's continue the messages. Ladies and gentlemen, let's call on Senior Jail Officer 1, Archie Tarukan, please. Yeah.
Okay, good evening everyone. Ma'am Cathy. Yun lang ako nasabihan. Good evening again. So, Ma'am Cathy, happy birthday, Ma'am Cat. My message to you is quiet, long, and a bit serious. Kasi this is really my experience since day one we met each other. So from the very first day I met you during my job application at BJMP, way back 2008, you already showed me the kind of leader who is kind, humble, warm-hearted. Since then, you've been more than just my chief. You've been my guide, my encourager, my listener, and someone I can always lean on. You stood by me through seasons of my life. During my single days, you listened patiently to all the stories of my heartbreak, especially third shift duty. Sleepy eyes don't mean to you. You still listen to me. You were there, shedding tears with me in my pain, as if it were your own. You never judged me, but only embraced me with understanding, sincerity, and love. You were part of my biggest milestone at work and even in my personal life. You gave me the advice that led me to marry in church instead of having a civil wedding. One of the most beautiful decisions I have ever made in my life. You surprised me with a grand wedding cake. You've stood as my Nina in my wedding. You showed me what it's like to love without measure. And that's something I will carry forever. And when life tested me even harder, when my mother was diagnosed with cancer, I felt lost, like everything was dark. But again, there you were. Without hesitation, you extended your hand not just to me, but with my family. You helped us through one of the hardest battles of our lives. You've supported us in our goals and our needs. You were there, always. You and Attorney Ray have knocked on our door more than once, not just once, but always. When I have no one to turn to, with no condition, no expectation, just love. I often ask myself, what did I do to deserve someone, a friend like you? And if only wishes could make people a family. I'd wish for you to be my big sister because even though we are not related by blood, you've always treated me like someone truly dear to you. Your love is real. Your heart is genuine. Your friendship is one of my life's greatest dreams. You're not just my chief. You're a woman who leads with a heart. If there's a word greater than thank you, that's what you deserve. For every piece of advice, every moment of laughter, every tear that you wept every time you stood beside me, I am grateful beyond words. In my journey, you became a part of it, a big irreplaceable part. And I carry that with me always, wherever life may take us. Know that you're in my prayers and in my heart. Thank you for the love, for the talks, for the help, and for the sweetest laughters, and always feels like candy in the middle of bitterness. Happy, happy birthday, Ma'am Kat. You're one of the angels here on earth, and I'm thankful to God every day that I met you.
Thank you, Ma'am Archie. True po tayo. Yes. Ay, grabe, napaiyak. Napaiyak ang ating celebrant. Ninang siya sa kasal. Ninang po kayo. Yes. Ninang. So, I'm sure maraming mga good officer too. Siti Maula Japalali. Yes.
To our family and friends, co-workers, guests, for these momentous celebrations of our beloved, benevolent, and down-to-earth boss, leader, and a friend to all of us. A very beautiful and stunning birthday celebrant, Ma'am Kath. Happiest birthday po, ma'am, and good evening to everyone. Just last night, when Ma'am Kathy told me that me and Archelli will give a birthday message to her. Medyo na ako kagabi kasi sabi ko, I told myself, pati ako kasama na magbibigay ng birthday message kay ma'am. So now I know, bakit? Kasi isa ako sa mga taong pwede nating sabihin na nagkaroon ng magandang memories with good acquaintance with Ma'am Kathy. I do recall in the year when I applied my job as jail officers, I approached Ma'am Kathy to help me to give my application and endorsement for GO1 applicant. So ganun kabait at kabuting puso si Ma'am Kathy na she never think twice to give me that application, what do you call that? Yung hiningi ko na for my application, for my JO1 na. So ang isip ko ay ganun kabait si Ma'am Kathy. At despite for that, ako tinuring na isa lamang who am I po with my social status, considering po kung sino si Ma'am Kathy ngayon. Siya po ang living testimony na hindi hadlang yung katayuan sa buhay or kahit anong religion ka. Basta kasama ka niya sa trabaho, ganun po si Ma'am Kathy na magmahal sa kasama sa trabaho at magbigay ng kanyang tulong na pwede niyang ibigay na tulong. By then, successfully nakapasok po sa Ka-Bureau at bumalik sa field as Jail Officer 1 in the year 2005. But then we will cross our path in the year 2009, if I am not mistaken. See, were there my assistant warden. As an assistant warden, hindi lang po siya nag-aalalay, nagsusupport sa lahat ng mga trabaho sa jail, but then pati po kami mga personnel. And even yung mga anak namin, na ganun na po ka-close dahil madali pong, hindi po mahirap mahalin at hindi makalimutan yung aral na binibigay niya sa amin. Sorry po, medyo mahina ng mata, hindi ko na makikita, kaya sinasabi ko na lang po by heart. As assigned jail officer sa female dormitory, we work not just a team, but as a family in general. Dito po nabuo yung salitang ZCFD family. Sometimes then, even our children will get along happily, and we as their parents were glad seeing our children with the same track. Fast forward in 2014, I was transferred to Ipil District Jail Female Dormitory. Luckily, we crossed our path again as she was my warden then for 3 months and 16 days. Until now, since January 10 this year. Ma'am Kath, it's been my pleasure learning and working with you again and again. I'm so thankful and grateful to work under your leadership, ma'am. You are not just a boss, but also our sister, our friend, and a mother to all our time. Your kindness, generosity, and wisdom has a huge impact to all of us. Your positive attitude, very humble, you're holistic by nature, and truly contagious, and make us a workplace and a place, a good and a great place to be. Not just that, your unwavering commitment, resilience, dedication are remarkable. Bakit ko po sinabi yun? Because your leadership so much mean to all of us. And you are the beacon of light and inspiration for both career and personal life. Sa inyo po namin natutunan kung paano maging tapat sa partner, maging mabait sa mga anak, at maging masunurin sa mga magulang natin. Our Zamboanga City Jail Female Dormitory Warden, Jail Senior Inspector Catherine Yuzores Bongabong, ma'am. Thank you for being such a supportive and inspiring leader. You make our workplace enjoyable. Thank you for being a great leader to all of us and a good friend to everyone. In this wonderful evening, we celebrate your special and divine commitment. May it shine as bright as your relentless perseverance, filled with new goals, good health, everlasting happiness, peace and prosperity, and infinite success. May this year ahead bring you everything you wish for. Truly you deserve, Ma'am Kath. Happy birthday po, and we love you so much, Ma'am Kath.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Siki Naila Chapalali. Grabe. Ma'am, picture po muna to. officer ni Ma'am Kat. So wala siyang pinipiling religion. Yan ang message nandito sa kabilang side. So dito tayo sa kabila. Si Sir... Kaano niyo po si Ma'am Kat?
Hello, good evening. I am Mr. Felix Libres. I am the classmate of course, the better half of Ma'am Kat when we were in college at Windsor, taking education. And we were through thick and thin as we were in college, kahit gaano man kahirap. And I only knew after my best friend, classmate, Attorney Ray, na naging attorney na at ako ay nasa DepEd pa rin. Okay? So, and I knew na kinasal na sila until such time na hindi ko alam na I am staying at Lumbangan, and there was one time, I'm not so sure the year, that there was a house starting to be built near the school where I am when I was assigned. After that, malapit na natapos yung house, pero hindi ko pa alam na sa kanila pala yun. Only last time nung almost na talaga, doon ko na alam na si my classmate, Attorney Ray, with Ma'am Kat, nandoon na sila. And hindi lang I knew her, ninang at ninong din sila ng pangapat kong anak, at last June, naging ninang at ninong din sila sa pangalawa kong anak sa kasal. Kaya nga, that's magkapitbahay na kami, best friend pa kami ng husband niya, at naging ninong pare pa, dobleng pare. Okay? So, Ma'am Kat, Mare Kat, Catherine, happy birthday, and we wish together with my wife, Jessica, we wish you a happy birthday. And of course, the most important is the good health that God will shower to you. And of course, blessings to the both of you as husband and wife together with your children. Happy birthday once again. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, sir. Yung gusto ko kumpare sa dalawang anak, in fairness. O, dito naman tayo. Dito, ano pong pangalan natin at ano pong relationship natin kay Ma'am Kat? At pwede ka na pong magbigay ng message. Tayo po tayo, sir, para makita ka sa camera. Yes.
I'm Attorney Alfredo Jimenez Jr. I am a neighbor of Attorney Ray and Cathy at Lumbangan. Actually, it was Attorney Ray who helped me look for a lot on which I will and my wife will build a house. We've been living in Lumbangan. We've been neighbors already for 13 years. And before that, Attorney Ray was my classmate in the College of Law at WIMSU. And we've been very good friends together with Attorney Nicolas Apolinario. We were also colleagues at one time at the City Prosecutor's Office of Zamboanga. But Attorney Ray chose to leave the office and pursue private practice of law, which turned out to be very lucrative. I could not even imagine if I could afford this kind of celebration. But Attorney Ray has done it, which reveals that he indeed loves Cathy and also his children, Cydrix and Angel, I think, who is now enrolled at UP, pursuing following the footsteps of the father, become a lawyer. Thank you for inviting us. I am together with my wife, Donna. Thank you for inviting us and giving us the privilege of
celebrating the birthday of 50th birthday of Cathy. And many more birthdays to come and more blessings to the family. Joke, without Ulego, kabaya to.
I am Mrs. Anne Maravilla, the wife of Fiscal Maravilla. Good evening to all. And I want to greet happy birthday, Kat. Ngayon lang tayo nagkita. We've been together, I think, way back 2012. And we were four families enjoying these excursions with our family when we were having these children, mga bata pa talaga. But now they're grown up, and I think Angel is already taking up law. Good luck. And to you, Kat, more power and more blessings. Happy birthday.
Thank you, ma'am. Wow. The wife of a proud, good-looking husband, Attorney Ray Bongado.
Presents to Cathy. Well, she wanted to celebrate her birthday, but I always told her, I think it's just okay if we just have dinner with the family, simple lang. But she wanted, according to her, she did not celebrate her debut. She did not celebrate birthdays with family. Now it's time for her to celebrate her 50th birthday. So I obliged. No choice. Baka outside the Colombo. But anyway, we're very, very happy that you have achieved and reached 50th year. We're very proud of what you have become. We're very proud of what you have achieved. I, Cedric and Angelic are very happy today that you're celebrating your birthday, and we wish you to be more successful in life, more successful in your career, more blessings to come. Stay grounded. Continue to love our family. Continue to become the light of our family and always the guiding mother of our children. We love you very much. Happy birthday.
Wow. So, may narinig ako, wait lang. Ano yung narinig ko na kasi naman? Okay, kiss the, oh wow. May pa-MMK. May pa-MF3. Oh, wait lang, okay. Okay, sir. Sir and ma'am, listen. Para medyo thrilling tayo. Position muna kayo, auntie dyan. Position. Okay, pabigyan natin ng audience. Ewan ko kung gusto niyo itong gagawin to, ha? Mag-asawa naman kayo. Sabi, kiss daw. Kiss kayo 20 seconds. Oh. Ako magbibilang, ha? Dahil ko talaga yung mga reactions niyo. Kaya naman kasi, bakit pa kayo nagsabi ng kiss-kiss? Ginanahan tuloy si Abdel. Ayan tuloy. Ay, paayos. Ano yan, sir? Okay, 20 seconds, ha? Video, photo, ready. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, sige na, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20! Grabe yun. Sige na, attorney, maraming salamat. Saan ka makakakita yung attorney natin? Napaka-game, di ba? Kayo ha? Kayo may eksalan yun, hindi ako. Sabi niyo, kiss. Ma'am, nakikita ko talaga itsura niya. Alam niyo kung bakit? Feeling ko nako-conscious siya sa lipstick niya. Huwag ka mag-alala, magaling yung makeup artist mo. Nako-conscious talaga sa makeup artist. Anyway, yung last po na magbibigay, hindi ko na po siya i-introduce yung pangalan But I want you guys to take a look at our big screen para po sa special birthday message kay Ma'am Kat.
And I'm sad because I couldn't be with you when we celebrate your 50th birthday. Since birthday mo ngayon, i-expose muna kita ng slide sa mga taong nandyan sa party mo. I want to share to them how amazing you are as a mother. When I was younger, I remembered how much I didn't like you. Mas close kasi ako kay Papa noon. Nagtatampo ako sir kasi ikaw yung bad cop sa parenting dynamic ni Papa. Kung si Papa yung good cop, ikaw yung enforcer, ikaw yung nagagalit, ikaw yung nag-iyaw-yaw, tapos masakit ka pa mamarot kung kinukulot mo kami ng saysay kasi annoying kami. Growing up, I was scared of you. But there was a moment in the past that made me realize how much I'll miss you kahit hindi tayo laging bati. You once asked me kung saan ka mag-review for the bar examinations. Naalala ko, sabi ko sa'yo na pumunta ka sa pinakamagaling na review center. Because of that, you went to review in Pidiliman. Naalala ko, nung hinatid ka papunta sa airport, tapos sinara yung date natin. Grabe yung iyak ko. Nakaganito ako sa screen door. As in, humagulgul ako. With teleserye levels. Lumis na kita agad. Kahit hindi ka pa nakarating sa Manila, grabe lang iyak ko nun. But that wasn't the only time you left to pursue opportunities. You were always assigned outside of Zamboanga. Parang most of my elementary and high school life, nasa labas ka. Lagi kang na-assign sa ibang lugar. Wala ka sa Zamboanga nun. Every long weekend and holiday, we would always grab the chance to do a long road trip to Itil or Dipolong just to spend a few days with you. May times na may important event sa bahay and sa Zamboanga, pero hindi ko makakauwi kasi busy ka sa jail. Minsan tinitenta kita kasi kung nag-video call tayong apat, lagi kang umiiyak. Umiiyak ka kasi sabi mo, mismo na kaming tatlo. Ngayon na nasa Manila ako, nagigets na kita. Hindi pa ako nakaka-1 week dito. Pero lagi din akong umiiyak kasi miss ko na yung bahay, miss ko na din kayong tatlo. That says a lot about your strength. You are such a strong woman. You sacrificed spending your time with us to fulfill your duty. You fought your homesickness because you were very much needed somewhere else. You sacrificed because you want a good future for me and Cydrix. Hindi lang din tayo madalas mag-away ng bata pa ako. Hanggang ngayon nag-aaway pa rin tayo. I found it tiring to live up to your expectations. Kasi kung may na-achieve ako, humihirit ka. Kung nakakasaya ako sa top 10, you would say, bakit hindi higher yung rank mo? Bakit di ka top 1? Kung mababa yung score ko, you would ask, bakit ganyan yung rate mo? Ba't di ka pumasa? Bakit hindi ka line of 9? Nung college ako, lagi kang lumunod na dapat pag-graduate ko, magna cum laude ako. I fell short kasi cum laude lang yung natin honor ko. Pero naalala ko, inis talaga ako kasi hirap-hirap na ako sa accountancy. Nananapan na nga grades ko nun. Pero gusto mo magna cum laude pa rin natin honors ko. In the end, cum laude ng kaya ng powers ko. Sabi ko pa nga, gusto ni mama ganito gawin ko kasi hindi niya nagawa dati. She's just living vicariously through me. Now, I realize that may not such be a bad thing. That was your way of telling me that I should aim higher, I should do better. I now have everything that I want and need. I have all the opportunities lined up before me, so I should strive and work harder. At literal na, andyan na lahat. Action ko na lang yung kulang. Kasi yung resources, yung time, naibigay niyo na sa akin, yung papa. Kailangan ko lang talagang gumalaw. I realized na hindi ganun ka-bad thing yung pangungulit mo sa akin. It was because you didn't have those opportunities back then, and you only want the best for me. Pero kahit na lagi kang mangungulit sa akin, na I should do better, I should aim higher, you never criticize me if I fail. When I failed the 2024 Sipali, you were there to comfort me and offer words of encouragement. Naging witness kayo ni Papa sa hagulgol moments ko, sa breakdowns ko. Lagi akong nagsasorry sa inyo kasi I failed you both. Kasi I had all that I could want and need na sa Manila ko, but I fell short. Pero hindi kayo nagalit sa akin. You both weren't disappointed in me. You and Papa didn't pressure me to take the Sipali again. You didn't hold my failure against me. You and Papa supported me as I grieved my failure and my lapses. And when I tried my hardest to finally pass the Sipali and pass the UP Law Aptitude exam at the same time. You didn't complain about the review center fees, the entrance examination fees, and the law school reservation fees. Kahit na grabe na tayong konsensya ko kasi ang mahal ng gastos nyo. Hindi na nakapasa sa first take. So, may gastos ulit sa review center, may gastos pa sa reservation fees for law school. Pero hindi kayo nagreklamo, you didn't hold it against me. Even yung pagiging atichona ko sa bahay, the way I easily snap kapag may pinapasuyo kayo o may pinapagawa kayo sa akin, the way na lagi akong galit sa bahay ay mabilis mairita, you didn't hold it against me. Intindihan niyo kung gaano ako ka-stressed. You believed in me kahit na sobrang low na ng moral ko. Kahit halos every night ako pupunta sa kwarto mo just to cry and break down. You really lifted my spirits. You and Papa never stopped praying for me. You and Papa never stopped believing in me. Dahil doon, I reach for the stars and achieve my dreams. Because you and Papa never failed to provide me and the sidewicks with all we need and want. I reach for the stars and achieve my dreams because I know that back then, you also had things that you dreamed of achieving, but you didn't have the resources and the right circumstances to do so. I reach for the stars and achieve my dreams because I want you to be proud of all your efforts and sacrifices. I reach for the stars and achieve my dreams because I want you and Papa to be proud of me. Please give a round of applause for this amazing woman that I have the privilege to call my mom. Enjoy your birthday, Ma, and I hope to see you very, very soon.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po natin ang daughter ni Ma'am Kat, Ray Angelique, right? Okay. Thank you so much. Ma'am Kat, are you okay? Kahit ako, rin ako medyo nag-kiri eyes din ako kasi pinag-uusapan ng nanay, pati ang daw. Wala na kasi ako nanay, so, but anyway.
Believe I wanna go so far. It's very much more. Only for you. You found the light, but I couldn't find. So when I want to go, girl, I can find the word. Time to say goodbye, baby. When the sun goes down, and the band won't play, lovers in the night, quiet through the light. Don't have the right, but then we try. All I really know, and where I wanna go. So when I want to go, girl, I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, when the sun goes down, the band will play. I always remember us this way. Oh, yeah.
And now, after the sun, syempre, ngayon naman, magpapatay. Okay, continue. Ganyan talaga pag live. Perfect talaga yung kanta para sa kanilang dalawa. Palakpakan nila natin.
Dahil sa akala ko, di ako iibig sa puso ko. Kaya ngayon lagi ko araw-gabi pagpapala ay sa dahil ba ang puso
Thank you, sir. Mamaya na kita bibigyan ng microphone. So I'm sure all of you are excited to the next part of the occasion. Kasi I'm sure ako rin naman excited ako sa next part ng occasion na to. But before that, let's sing happy birthday muna sa ating celebrant. Okay? Sir, halika sir. Pwede mong dalhin yung flower mo kanina. Nasaan yung flower ni sir kanina? Halika sir. Dito tayo. Dito tayo, ma'am ka. Attorney Ray, halika. Dito ka sa tabi mo. Birthday song. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Don't forget to make a wish before blowing your candle. Okay, baka naman natin. Okay, picture mo na sila sa cake. Picture mo na ng cat video. Plain Starway. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Glasses. Pakibigay kay attorney yung isa. Yung ano. Yes. Siyempre, isa-isa kayo. Muntik na. Okay, go. Yes. Hello. Bago tayo mag-toast po ng ating wine, close and open parenthesis cook, pakinggan naman po natin ang proud sons. Cedric's wife, Bukabo, for a special message bago po tayo mag-toast ng ating wine.
Hi, Ma'am. Char. Ano lang, happy birthday, Ma. Di ako makapaniwala. Akala ko 18 ka. Yung pala, 50 ka na pala. Pero grabe yung yung performance mo kanina, ha? Happy birthday. Wish ko lang talaga sa iyo na, to live the best in life. And, stay happy. Kasi sa bahay, syempre, happy kami. Every time magchika-chika kami, grabe yung namin, time namin. Hindi ko rin makalimutan yung mga lessons mo din na binibigay mo sa amin. Like, paano maging humble, kung paano, i-overcome yung mga adversities, yung mga circumstances and what. I am forever grateful as a son, syempre naman. Na grateful talaga ako na yung mga na nandyan kayo palagi sa amin, especially with Papa din. At saka hindi lang ikaw ang nanay ko, ikaw yung supporter, ikaw yung motivator ko. And syempre kasama si Papa. Grabe, walang favoritism dito. Anyways, I would like to raise a toast to Catherine. Happy birthday, and I wish you all the best. I love you, Ma. Love, tika.
Everybody, cheers! Cheers! I-feel natin ang wine. Okay, yung mga nakakuha sa mobile bar, sana yun na nilang ginili mo, no? Perfect. Thank you so much, Eugene. Maraming salamat. Okay.
Gracious and loving God, we come before you this joyful day to give thanks and celebrate the 50th birthday of Jail Senior Inspector Catherine Y. Bangabong, a life marked by purpose, dedication, and grace. Thank you for granting her the gift of 50 meaningful years, a journey filled with blessings, challenges, growth, and love. As we gather around this table in fellowship, we ask you to bless this food we are about to partake. May it nourish our bodies and sustain our strength. Bless the hands that lovingly prepare this meal, and may this gathering be a reflection of the unity, joy, and gratitude we feel today. We also ask for your continued guidance and favor upon Ma'am Cathy in the years to come. Grant her good health, wisdom, and peace as she continues to inspire and serve others. With hearts full of gratitude, we offer this prayer in your most holy name. Amen.
Yeah, this is what we're going to do. Okay, Ma'am Kat? Napag-usapan talaga namin to sa shop ng event coordinator. This is what we're going to do. Magkakaroon po tayo kagad muna ng pictorial by table. Then after po ng specific 2 tables sa pictorial, proceed na po kagad sa buffet station. So this is what we're going to do. Pictorial muna po tayo by table. Then, pag natapos na po pagbaba, proceed po sa buffet. Habang nakagown si Ma'am Kat. So, okay, unahin muna natin. Of course, ang family members, right? Family members sa table 1, attorney, please leave your family members. Dito po sa stage for the pictorial.
When I met you in the summer, to my heartbeat sound, We fell in love as the leaves turn brown, and we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer,
say, so don't you worry, I think I'll tell you I love you more. I'll be you for honest, you won't let it go. You are the best, will always give me to you. How I should
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a round of applause to Mr. Liam.
mayroon ako nais malaman. Maaari bang magtanong? Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig. Matagal na kong nakita. Ngunit mayroon ka na ibang minamahal. Kung kaya ako'y di mo pinapansin. Ngunit naman pa man, nais kong malaman ang puso kong ito para lang ito ako umiibig sa'yo kahit na ako Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nakamahal sa'yo na hindi kung ako ay iyong iibigin, di kailangan ng magamba. Pagka ako ay para mong alibig, sa'yo lang wala ng iba. Ngunit mayroon ka na ibang inamahal, kaya ako'y iyong napansin. Ngunit ganun pa man, nais kong malaman mo ang puso ito'y paano lang sa'yo. Nandito ako umiiyak sa'yo, kahit na natulog ko ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ko na, huwag kang mag-alala. May nakamahal sa'yo na hindi ako. Nandito ako umiibig sa'yo, kahit na natulog ko ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka na, huwag kang mag-alala. May nakamahal sa'yo na hindi ako. Nandito ako.
Wow! Thank you so much, Sir Bonifacio Yu Jr. In fairness maganda na ang kutis, maganda.
She's wondering what going to say. Gosh, it's a running she asks me I say, my darling, you look wonderful tonight. Turns to see was walking around with me when she asked me I said, my darling, you're wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the girl with your eyes and the wonder of your eyes. It's like you just don't realize how much I love you. I've got a aching head, so I put on the talking. She loves me to bed. All that time as a trumpet, I said, oh God, you look wonderful tonight. Oh my God, you look wonderful. Tonight, tonight. Wonderful tonight.
Thank you so much, Sir Jaime. Anyway, bring me, everybody. Ito ay nakikita talaga to sa wallet. Nakikita to sa wallet. Ito ay usually ginagamit ng lalaki. Please bring me condom. Ito ay ginagamit ng lalaki, nakalagay sa wallet. Dali na. Matured naman tayo dito lahat. Cigarettes, meron ka? Huwag ka nagulat ako. Kala ko meron si cigarettes. Guys, wala. Imposible. Wala talaga? Okay, wala. Seryoso? Wala? Ayaw nyo? From Hong Kong? Parang hindi ako naniniwala. Anyway, go. Next item. Ito yung nakikita pa sa wallet. May letra. May iba't ibang kulay. At syempre ito ay matigas. Okay, bring me license. Driver's license. Driver's license na. Ay! Okay, wait lang. Okay. Nawindang ako. Grabe. Guys, medyo na-distract yung MC ha. Na-distract si Abdel. Hindi ko kasi nakita kung sino yung nauna. So, tulungan niyo ako. Sino yung nauna? Sa dulo? Okay, wait lang, teka ha. Siya na lang kasi nag-effort siya na tumba. Halika, darling. My God, you look so fabulous, darling. What's your name?
Ivan.
Ivan. Tingnan ko muna ha. Wow. Ay! Ikaw to? Tatay mo. Mama Ivy, anak mo? Wow, kaya pala kasi nakita ko yung family name. In fairness, kaya pala sabi ni Mama Ivy, sabi niya sa akin, anak ko yan, siyang piliin mo, anak ko yan. Congratulations, darling. Okay, picture mo na with Ma'am Kat. Akit ka muna kay Ma'am Kat. Yes. Lalaki, pogi, na single, at least 2 years ng single. Lalaki, pogi, at least 2 years na single. Alam mo, ikaw, kanina ka pa, namumuro ka na. Alam siya, halika, sir. Oo. Okay. Sir, halika. What's your name? Michael. Wow, in fairness ka na. Si Michael kanina yung tumitingin doon sa pangalan ng coordinator, may plano, pero single. So, ilang taon ka na single? 1 year, 2 year? 5 years? Wala, 5 years, seryoso? 2 years. Alam mo ba, sir, kung bakit yun ang pinapanganap ko? Kasi kung single din ako 2 years. Para-paraan. Sir Michael, hello. I'm Abdel. 2 years? Okay, Wheeler. Okay, picture, Sir Michael, kay Ma'am Kat. Okay, picture muna. Okay, yan. O, diba? O, ngayon, balik ka naman natin. Bring me beautiful, pretty lady na single at least 1 year. Oh, single at least 1 year. O, ibig sabihin, 1 year pataas, pwede. 1 year pataas, pwede. Ewan ko ba dito sa batch ng mga babae na to? Ako hindi na ako natutuwa. Attorney, anong panikaso sa mga to? Ay, ilang taon ka ng single, madam? 1 year. So, pasok talaga siya sa sinabi ko, at least, di ba? 1 year pataas. What's your name? Christina. So, 1 year na. Bongga. In fairness, kayo talaga dyan sa table na yan, kayo nang humakot ng award. Okay, go! 2 more to go! Okay, picture muna kay Ma'am Kat po. Salamat. Okay, and now. Okay, ngayon paunahan ha. Paunahan. Tingnan ko. Dito, tingnan ko kung gaano kayo kalakas sa mga boss niyo. Tingnan ko. Please bring me Sir Fiscal. Pakidala sa akin si Sir Fiscal. Sige nga. Sige. Oh, sige. Malakasan. Sige. Oh, ayan. Oh, diba? Oh, padala. Ayan. Oh, diba? Actually, napansin ko yung lumapit din. Malakas din, ha? Congratulations, ma'am. Oh, Sir Fiscal, kasama ka. So, picture muna kayo doon, sir. Ako nang bahala. Okay. Last one para sa ating second game. Okay. Magdala kayo dito sa akin ng soon-to-be couple as husband and wife. Yung malapit na yung kasal. Wala ba dito? Wala? Seryoso? Sa family religion, wala? Wala? O sige na, wala. O sige. Magdala kayo dito ng Pogi. Willing to meet a girl tonight. Oh, Pogi ha, single, tapos willing to meet a lady tonight. Sa grupo niyo wala? Wala. Meron. Oh, di ba? Oh. Ay! Grabe ang palakpak ni Ma'am Cathy. Ay, grabe. Alam niyo ba, sa totoo lang, si Abdel, tumitingin talaga ako dito. Kasi napansin ko lahat kayo dyan, may jowa. Except kay Michael. Nakatali na. So, ibig sabihin, single. Sir, hawakan mo muna to, pero single. So, what's your name?
I am Jail Chief Inspector Johnny Alburo.
Hello, officer. Sir, ilang ano ka na? Single ka tapos naghahanap ka ngayon?
Single forever.
Single forever? Bakit parang alanganin ka sumagot, sir? May someone ba dito na kinakatakutan? Anak! Okay, nandyan pala si daughter. Okay lang yan, sir. May chance pa naman. Sige na, sir. Picture po tayo kay Ma'am Kai. Okay. Give us a very special intermission number. May I call on? The BFFs. Okay. BFFs? Asan na sila? Ito, once again, a round of applause. Isang malakas na palakpakan for a very special intermission number, the BFFs.
When marimba rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway. Like the beats of ocean hugs the shore. Sway, like a flower bloom. Sway with me, that's of the dancers made so
Wow! Thank you so much. Yan ang grupo nila. The Pogi. The Pogi. 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 Ang ganda ng tanawin, maraming Pogi. Position. Apat sila, tatlo. Apat? Tatlo lang. Tatlo lang. Okay, position guys. Yung ano nila, sound system, okay na? Okay na. 1, 2, 3, go! One, two, three, four.
Naku nga, luma na yan. Ito ang bago.
You are now tuned in to the one and the only J-Hope. I'm ready, cause we so like birthday. I got ready for Miami, oh, I wanna get you. So what the I sing like you. First, I'ma really need first.
Grabe, Togis. And now let's go on the Zamboanga City Female Dormitory Greeting. Okay na. Nasaan sila? Ay, naku, ano ba yan? Nakala ko naman kung sino na. Sila pala. Ayun. Sila yung langkat? Bakit sila? Ayun. Grabe! Kaya pala pagtumba ko kay sir, sabi niya, merit. Sabi ko, ay, kasi ka naman. Ay. Here we go. Oh, di ba? Pretty Lee celebrant enter the government service. Kailan siya pumasok sa government service? Okay, go. Kailan? Sagot. Kailan siya pumasok sa government service? Next. 1997. 1997? Ano, may specific date daw.
April 10.
April 10, 1997, correct! Oh, alert talaga ha. Oh, picture mo na, sir. Picture mo na, please. Yes, baby boy. What's your name first? Brayden. So what's your answer, darling?
Coke.
Coke! Yes, yes. That's also my favorite. Same tayo mang cat. Yes, bet na bet ko yan. Lalo na pag malamig. Okay, picture mo na, baby boy, kung mag-cat. Akat sa muna sa cat. Yes. Lang. Makukuha niyo to. Complete date of birth of our celebrant. Oh, di ba? Ano ang tamang sagot?
August 6, 1975.
Perfect! Oh, picture mo na, madam. Alam ng firstborn child ni ma'am. Kat. Complete ha, complete name kasi nandito complete name, no? Okay, complete name ha. Pero yung middle name siya kahit letter lang.
Angel Ray Bungabong. Y Bungabong. Angelic Ray Bungabong. Y Bungabong.
Final. Mabibigyan ka ng one last. 1, 2, 3, go.
Angelic Ray Yusores Bungabong.
Wrong. Okay, sino? Sige, wrong, ma'am. Wrong. Okay, pagbigyan natin si madam. Yes, madam. Complete ha. Complete.
Ray Angelic Yusores Bungabong.
Perfect. Mama, di ka, ma'am. Perfect. Thank you, ma'am. What's your name, by the way, ma'am? Oh, complete na rin, ha. Akit na ng picture muna tayo. Okay. Anong date, anong month at year nagpakasal si Attorney Ray at si Ma'am Kat? Masyado ba mahirap? Family members, relatives, neighbors, wala? Again guys, may party pa tayo. May party. Okay. Sige nga, tinatin kung tama yung anak.
January 25th, 2000. Ay, 15.
25, lumampas ng 10 anak. Okay na, go! Tama na. Yay! Okay, ngayon guys, para makaproceed na tayo sa...
Hello, good evening. Ano oras na? Good evening. 10 o'clock. So, nagpapasalamat po ako ng malaking pasasalamat ko sa lahat ng dumalo sa aking 50th birthday. Ito yung pinakamasayang day ng aking buhay, no? Celebrated with my families and friends, office mates, neighbors, family members. Thank you very much for staying and for attending my birthday celebration. And also, I would like to thank my the Joanne's wedding gowns with her team, with the team of Sir Jonathan. Maraming salamat, sir, for making my kumbaga, yung plan ko na theme na rustic into reality. So ito po talaga yung gusto ko, sir. Thank you very much for, and you're very, sir, kumbaga, approachable at saka mabait. Thank you very much, sir. And thank you sa lahat ng sa Sugar and Ice, sa Hunter Shock, sa Liquid Potion, sa Astoria Regency, sa pagtupad ng anong pinangarap kong na maging celebration ng aking 50th birthday. And especially also to my beauty, to my makeup artist who made me beautiful, and to my hair also, si Hilda, Sans Hilda, and Musang. Thank you very much for making me beautiful. Kahit ano naman. And also to DJ, salamat po na nagpunta. And sa lahat ng dumalo, maraming salamat. Especially to my mother na nandito from Pagadian City. Siya lang yung nag-represent sa family namin kasi may mga iba't ibang ginagawa din yung mga brothers and sisters ko. Ma, salamat ma. Sa tanan. And to my ever supportive husband, thank you very much, Dad. Although binuking mo ako the last time. Palagi ko talagang sinasabi sa kanya na I want my birthday celebration, 50th birthday celebration. Kumbaga, kasi wala po akong debut. Hindi pa ako nag-debut. So sabi niya, akala ko okay na yung nagpunta tayo sa Israel, pero hindi pala. Sabi ko, sige na lang, Dad. And anyway, kumbaga, isang beses lang ako mag-50th, di ba? So, ibigay ko na yung lahat na kahit hindi na ako masyado, sabi nga ni Daddy, baka hindi ka na marunong mag-dance, yung ulo na lang daw pinadance ko. Yung yung baywang na daw, hindi na daw gumagalaw, pero sige lang, basta, yun, ito yung party ko, ito yung birthday ko. And thank you very much. And also, sa lahat, to my professional DI, Sir George, Sir Alex, although kahapon lang kami nagkita for the preparation, no? So thank you very much, sir. Kahit nagkaka-mali-mali kami, or ako lang, nandun pa rin kayo nagsuporta. Kaya very ako kasi ang weight ko malaki na kasi ako. So very ako sa So thank you very much, sir. At sorry kung may hindi ko ba na bigyan ng pasasalamat. And also thank you very much to my Zamboanga City Jail Female Dormitory, the pretty ladies, and also to my Family Unit Welfare and Development sa Zamboanga City Jail Male Dormitory, Ma'am City, thank you very much. Archeli, si Bareng, Bell, at sa lahat, Kuya Alburo, salamat. Si Pareng, hindi ko na sino pa ba? Hindi ko na masyado. Kung hindi ko man napapasalamatan ko kayo isa-isa, but deep in my heart, I'm very thankful na dumalo kayo sa aking okasyon ngayon. Kaya baka sasabihin na ng daddy ko ni Ray na humahataw talaga ako. Joke lang, di. Ngayon ako na naman ang mag-booking sa iyo. Thank you very much.
And I hope na after nito, mag-party-party pa rin tayo kahit konting oras na lang natitira. Thank you very much. Thank you.
To meet your special day. Maraming salamat for trusting me, ma'am, Kat, and also Joan Gown Wedding Package. Thank you once again, Sir Jonathan and Ma'am Annie Tagaro for always trusting me. And to all of you guys, it was really nice in my part to host this event. Maraming salamat. Kat, walang problema, gula. So ngayon, let's enjoy the party!